Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome back to your online computer class. Hope you all are well and safe at your home. So, let's start our new chapter, chapter 5 Handling a Mouse. Here you can see the picture of mouse. So, let's start the chapter Handling a Mouse. A mouse is an input device which helps us to move the pointer and drag the pictures on the computer screen. It is small in size and has a tail which is attached to the CPU. It's look like a real mouse. Here you can see. And here you can see the mouse. You can see the three buttons in your mouse. First is this one, second is this one, okay. So the left button on the left side is called the left button and the button on the right side is called the right button. Next is the mouse pointer. It is a slant arrow on the screen which shows mouse movement. The mouse has a ball at its bottom. As you move the mouse, the pointer moves on the screen in the same direction. Next is the mouse pad. The pad on which we move the mouse is known as the mouse pad. Next is handling and moving the holding and moving the mouse. For this, first of all, you have to keep the mouse on the mouse pad, then place your palm on the mouse and hold it with your thumb and last two fingers. Then place your index fingers on the left button and your middle finger on the right button. Move the mouse on the mouse pad and watch the movement of the pointer on the screen as you move the mouse. Next is function of a mouse. The first function is clicking. What is a clicking? When we press the left button of a mouse once and release it, that makes a click sound. It is called the clicking. For this, you have to try move the pointer and point to any object on the monitor. Press the left button and release it. Then the object will be selected. Okay. Next is double clicking. Pressing the left mouse button twice without stopping and releasing it called the double clicking. For this you have to try move the pointer to the computer icon, the double click the left mouse button, the computer window will open. Next is right clicking. What is the right clicking? Pressing and releasing the right mouse button once will show a list of commands on the monitor. For this you have to try move the mouse pointer to the computer and right click on it. then you will get a list of commands. Okay. The fourth one is dragging. What is a dragging? To move an item on the object by holding the left mouse button to a new place on the screen is called the dragging. For the dragging, you have to try some points. The first point is place the pointer over an item on the screen. Then press and hold down the left button. Then now move to the pointer to the place where you want to place the item. Then release the left button and you will see that the item has moved. Okay. Now start the book exercise. First is fill in the blanks. First one is a mouse help us to draw or write the pictures on the computer screen. The answer is a mouse help us to draw or write the pictures on the computer and the answer is draw. The second one is to select an item, the right or left button is pressed once. Tell me the right answer, left button or the right button? And the answer is left. Third one is the slant arrow on the screen is called a mouse pointer and the mouse pad. And the answer is mouse pointer. The fourth one is the left mouse button is pressed once or twice for double clicking. The answer is twice. Okay. So next, write T for true and F for false. The first one is a mouse is an output device, that is true or false. The answer is false because the mouse is an input device. Number 2 is pressing the left mouse button once, stopping and releasing is called the double clicking. Answer is false. Number 3 is we move the mouse on a mouse pad. It's true or false? It's true. Next is clicking the right mouse button will show the list of commands. It's true or false? It's true. Next question is match the right pair. Here you can see two columns, column A and column B. The first is drag. What is a drag? What is the meaning of a drag? Drag means moving an item. So the correct answer is this one. Fourth one is the correct answer of dragging. Next is pointer. What is a pointer? A pointer is an arrow. So the correct answer is an arrow. Okay. Number 3 is double clicking. What is the meaning of double clicking? Press the left button twice. So the correct answer is first one. Last fourth one is click, right click. The correct answer is press the right button. Okay, clear? Okay, बच्चों, you have to do this exercise in your book and read this chapter again and again for sake of improving your knowledge. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much.